Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will see top jailbreak tweaks and this is my first video. So let's get started. So we'll bifurcate the tweaks in two parts, the system or UI based tweaks and the internal tweaks. So let's go. Starting with the system based tweaks, the first tweak that we have is the photon. Now this tweak is actually paid, but I have an alternative for you. This tweak known as Photon by Russ is a free tweak. I will leave the links to the repos down in the description box below. So this, as you can see, it uses the OLED screen to show the time and it can be configured in the settings. You can also do the Apple Watch like theme. As you can see, Photon. The language is Russian, but you can use Google Translate to see in English. There are lots of customizations like Apple Watch face, minimal, but I prefer the modular one. There are tons of customizations. If you don't want to spend $3 or $4, then you can get this free tweak. It's the same features, just the tweak is free by the Russian hackers. So the next tweak is flow. So if you play some songs, let's play any song. So this tweak does is, it gives this really cool audio player. As you can see, it changes songs on like this. And also it integrates with the Photon app, and when you lock the phone, it gives this cool looking UI. You can pause or even play. And when you tap, it goes to the lock screen and unlocks the phone. So the next tweak we are gonna show is the Cask 2, this one. So as you can see, the system, when I scroll it, it shows this really cool animation. This is done by the Cask 2. You can change the duration to 750 ms and it will show the longer duration. It's a really cool tweak. So I guess you should install this. There are tons of other customizations in this tweak as well, as you can see. So the next tweak is Cylinder. Now as we go on the home screen, it shows this really cool animation of icons going. It is done by Cylinder. There are tons of other effects. These many effects, you can choose from any of them and keep. The one I have chosen is Curl and Roll Away. It is the very popular, like this. So the next tweak is Icon Renamer. So what this tweak does is, it renames your icons to whatever custom name you want to rename them into. So now if you are gonna edit home screen, you can click on the icon and rename whatever name you want to. So once we apply, it changes to that custom name. So the next tweak is the Floating Dock Plus 13. So if I were to open this app, as you can see, we have the iPad like dock. There can be more than 4 applications as you want. As you can see, you can choose them to 5, 6, 7, as many as you want. It's a really cool tweak. This tweak also is by Russ. The original one is paid, but this has been modded, so it is free. I will leave the link down. So the next tweak is Pencil Charging Indicator. It shows this really cool charging animation. So as you can see, when I connect my phone to the charger, it gives me the really cool animation, just like Apple Pencil in the top side. Let me show it again. It's really cool to see. And the next tweak you can see is Color Me Notifs. As you can see, we have the colorful notifications. It shows the color corresponding to the color of the application. So you have different colors of notifications in respect to different applications. So yeah, this was it for the UI based tweaks. Now we will see some system based tweaks which will really help us into our usage of the phone. The main key of jailbreaking is changing the UI but not making it like an Android. So it's really, you have to really be nitpicky about the tweaks you use. In my opinion, this is the perfect amount of tweaks and the iPhone just looks like an iPhone and not like an Android. So now let's jump into the system based tweaks. So the first tweak is audio recorder access. This tweak is also a paid tweak, but this tweak is made by the Russian hacker. So it lets you record the audio while calling. So you can record the phone calls, FaceTime calls, any calls as you want. Just install this tweak, and the recordings will show up here as in when you call everybody. So the next tweak is auto unlock X. So this is for only the Face ID devices. So when you unlock the phone, it automatically unlocks, unlike the native iOS where you have to actually swipe up to unlock. In this, it automatically unlocks my device. So the next tweak is really important. It's Batchomatic. It's in the CDI itself. So when you install this tweak, you can see a tiny icon here. Here you can create an online dev. So what this does is you can create an exact replica of the jailbreak tweaks. So if you want to share all of your tweaks with your friends, you can do that by creating this online.deb. You can share these with your friends and they can install all the tweaks by installing from the Batchomatic app itself. So I'll leave a online.deb of my tweaks as well. So if you want to install, you can always do that. It will replicate your phone with all the tweaks of my phone. So it's a really cool tweak. So the next tweak is Barmoji. So what this does is it takes the advantage of the empty space and it gives the recently used emojis here. As you can see, all my emojis. It's really convenient in some cases, so you don't have to click on emoji keyboard. You can always access these. It's really great tweak. So the next tweak is call bar access. So what this does is, let me call. So if I call my phone, there is a really annoying feature in iPhone where the phone call occupies the entire screen. But in this tweak, as you can see, the tweak only covers the top portion of the mobile. You can continue using your iPhone. You can also move wherever you want. And if you pick up, it will get picked up. It's a really awesome tweak. So I recommend you to download it. You can keep using your iPhone and do anything you want. So the next tweak is Easy Swipe. So what this tweak does is you can slide even from here to access the control panel and click on the extreme left to access the notification panel. And if you want to access the search panel, you can drag from between. So it's really annoying in native iOS where you have to go all the way up here to do that. But if your hand is small, you can do that just by dragging it from here, as you can see. So the next tweak is Milky Way 2. What this tweak does is you can multitask 2 or more applications in this tweak. So let's say if I want to use settings along with my other apps. So I'll just press and hold here, and as you can see, you can use settings. You can go back and you can always use your native app. You can also resize this by dragging. If you click on the red icon, it will close. If you click on the yellow icon, it will minimize so it does not interfere. And if you click on the green icon, it will maximize, just like the MacBook system. So yeah, I find it very cool. You can even use more than 2 applications. So let's say I want to use phone and I also want to use Audible. Yeah, so I can use too many applications. And this is the settings. Settings, Audible, phone. So yeah, it's very cool tweak in my opinion. Close. So the next tweak is Oh My Flash. What this tweak will do is, if you forget to turn off your flash and if you just leave it, it will automatically turn off the flash by a certain number of minutes that you set in the settings. So I have set this at 1 minute. So after 1 minute, it will turn off automatically. I'll just cut the video. So as you can see, it turned off automatically. So the next tweak is Pancake. The thing in default iOS is you have to go all the way here to swipe back, but by installing this tweak you can do that by just dragging it from here or here. So you don't have to go all the way to here, but you can just go back from here. So the next tweak is really important if you want to do multiple actions in Cydia. It's known as swipe for more. Now, as you can see, say for example this tweak, if you swipe to the left, it gives you multiple options. This queue means it will queue the download, and this means it will download it just right now. So it's a really cool tweak in my opinion. So if I want to install this, I'll just install by clicking here and confirm. So the next tweak is YouTube Tools. It gives you all the YouTube premium features, almost all, for free. As you can go in the app, you can enable play in background, no in-video apps, no age restriction, disable autoplay video. It's really cool. You get all the YouTube premium features just for free. So as you can see, if I respring the device, after that I'll be able to access all the YouTube videos for free. See, here's YouTube, and if you play suppose any video, as you can see there will be no ads. There are no ads in the video, and it also plays in the background.
I'm going to be restoring this beaten up
It does
iPhone
not
5S
stop.
I purchased for $20
As you can
off of
see,
eBay, and see if I
It's a
can make
really
a profit,
amazing deal.
as you can see by the fact that the rubber
As
is
you can see.
disintegrating. Now I'm going to come to the top of this housing because I've noticed.
So the next tweak is tap lock. So if you don't want to press your lock button every time you want to lock your iPhone, you can install this tweak. What this tweak will do is you can double tap anywhere on the wallpaper that there are no icons to lock the phone. As you can see, it locks. Once again, it locks. So it's a really convenient feature in my opinion. So the next tweak is Twitter no ads. Twitter no ads. As you can see, there's this one annoying feature in Twitter that it gives you promoted advertisements. With this tweak you'll get none of these. As you can see, this is my pure tweak feed only. There are no promoted ads in this tweak. So the next tweak we have is Arch. So what this tweak will do is it will need Face ID to lock any number of applications that you want. So if I go into lock tabs, let's say I lock Facebook. So whenever I open Facebook, it will need an Face ID, so it unlocks. So if I don't approve it, it won't get open. So it's a really cool feature if you want to lock custom number of applications. So yeah, these were all the tweaks. I hope you like this video, and in my opinion these tweaks really improve your iPhone user experience. So yeah, you must install these tweaks in my opinion. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can always ask them in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you very much for watching the video, and goodbye.